Cats sometimes scratch, sometimes growl, and sometimes sleep comfortably in your bed. These are his normal habits. But when the pet calls "meow," it must be understood that he means something different. "Cat meow" is never a normal sound. It's basically a language they communicate with. Michael Delgado, a cat behavior expert, told Reader's Digest that's why he wants to drive attention in this way. "Cats call me meow most of the time, when people say hello," he said. "That is not the last word." Delgado says, "The cat's meow sound is a mystery to us. The reason for this word is that an owner will understand better. When his cat calls meow, when he does not call, he can tell if he notices little. Cats don't usually call meow for communication between themselves. In most cases they sound like this when interacting with people.